Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to give access to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify admin page and after logging to your Shopify store, go to your Shopify admin page and then click on the settings button. After that, click on the add users and permissions button. After clicking add users and permission button, click on the add staff button. Now you have to fill all the details and you have to select the staff that you want to allow. Then click to send invite. So after that, an invite will be sent to that specific individual, and that's all. That's how you can give access to your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.